Hello students, in the last class we have learned about the protection of colloids. That was the last topic which we have learned. And followed by that we will have two more topics in this chapter that is left. One is emulsion and the other one is the application of colloids. So what are emulsions? Emulsions are nothing but liquid-liquid colloidal system. That means in emulsion we have dispersion phase as liquid and dispersion medium also as liquid, and hence it is known as a liquid-liquid colloidal system. Now this emulsion, you will see that the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium both will be immiscible or they may be partially immiscible. So two types of emulsions are there. One is oil in water. We just write it oil O/W, that means oil in water. Oil is dispersed in water, and the another type is water dispersed in oil. So we write it as W/O. Okay. Now the examples of oil dispersed in water can be your milk or it can be the vanishing cream. And in case of water dispersed in oil, the two examples we can take is one is butter and the other one is cream. Now generally whenever we will see that the oil dispersed in water, they are very unstable. So how to get back the stability? So stability can be got back with the help of some stabilizing agents. The stabilizing agents will be different in these two different cases. In the first case, that is oil in water, the stabilizing agents can be your protein. And in case of water in oil, the stabilizing agent can be the metal salts of fatty acids or long chain alcohols. Okay, so that is what we know about these two types of emulsions. The next topic is application of colloids. So how we will apply the colloids, or how the colloids are applied in our daily life, how we are going to make use of them. The first one is electrical precipitation of smoke. So smoke, we know that this is also a kind of colloid, and generally the smoke, it comes out from the industrial units through the exhaust, okay, and it causes lots of air pollution. So how to control the carbon particles or the other solid particles which comes out from there will be allowed to pass through a precipitator. This precipitator is known as the Cottrell smoke precipitator. Okay, they are installed at the chimneys of the exhaust pipes, okay, or in the chimneys of any industrial units. Now what is the function of this precipitator? They used to have electrically charged plates, and depending upon the charge of the smoke particles, they will get attracted towards the oppositely charged plates and then they will get precipitated. Hence it is known as Cottrell smoke precipitator. The next one is purification of drinking water. So how we are going to purify drinking water? The very simple example is by adding alum. Now what does this alum do? The alum, when added to water, they start to coagulate the impurities present in water. The next one is medicines. Yes, colloids have a very important role to play in medicines. Different kind of intramuscular injections are made of colloids, and colloidal medicines, you know, they get a large surface area and hence they are very easily assimilated by our body. The next one is tanning. What does this tanning mean? Now we know that the animal hides, they are used to make leather. Okay. Now these animal hides, they are allowed to mix with tannin, and when they are allowed to mix with tannin, they form a coagulation, and that leads to a process known as tanning. Next one is cleansing action of soaps and detergents. That we have already learned about micelle. We have learned about the cleansing action of soaps and detergents, and there we have seen how the micelles are formed and how the hydrophobic part and the hydrophilic part play a crucial role, and how the dirt forms the emulsion along with the soap molecules and the micelle, and thus how they are washed away. Next one is photographic plates and the chimneys. Now here the photographic plates, you see, In case of photographic plates, we will see that actually it will be films, photographic plates and films. Okay, so what happens here? In photographic plates, we use a colloidal solution of the photosensitive silver bromide. Along with that, they are applied, they are allowed to form a colloidal solution, and then they are allowed to form the colloidal solution on the photographic plate, that is a glass plate, or in the case of celluloid films. Next one is rubber industry. We know that rubber made from the latex, and it is obtained by the coagulation of latex. The last we go for the industrial products. In the industrial products, we will see that paints, ink, rubber, then different kind of lubricants that is produced from graphite, and these colloidal solutions play a great role in the formation of different kind of products from various kind of industries. So these are few examples which are given in your book, and you get some reasoning type of questions, especially from tanning, from medicines, and from electrical precipitation. So these are generally the points from where you get the expected different kind of reasoning questions. Along with that, these are also there. You can expect this year also some questions from this part, from this lesson. So only one part is left, that is colloids around us. We will go through it in the next video, and please prepare a note on emulsions, definition, its types, and what do you mean by stabilizing agents. What is the role of a stabilizing agent in an emulsion, and then application of colloids in different fields, and how the colloids play a role in this different kind of fields. There are some examples given in the point of medicines, like how the different kind of colloidal salts are used as a medicine in different field. You do that also. Okay, so prepare the note and keep it ready for your studies. Thank you.